Fastest ways to get your CDL. Complete a training program and pass a series of tests. Here are some steps to get your CDL license. 1. Check the CDL requirements in your state. Some CDL state requirements are: age requirement. Most states require a driver to be at least 18 years old to obtain a CDL for interstate transportation and 21 years old for interstate transportation. Medical requirements. Drivers must pass a physical exam conducted by a certified medical examiner and carry a medical card with them at all times. Written test. All CDL applicants must pass a written knowledge test on topics such as safe driving, vehicle inspection, and hazardous materials. Skills test. All CDL applicants must pass a skills test that includes a pre-trip vehicle inspection, basic vehicle control, and on-road driving. Background check. CDL applicants must pass a criminal background check to ensure they are not a threat to public safety. Vision requirements. Drivers must have at least 20/40 vision in both eyes with or without corrective lenses and a 70-degree field of vision. Driving record. CDL applicants must have a clean driving record with no major traffic violations or DUIs. Residency requirements. Some states require CDL applicants to be a resident of the state or have a valid driver's license issued by that state. And fees. CDL applicants must pay a fee to obtain their CDL, which can vary by state. For example, California's fees can range from $42 to $170, and fees in New Jersey may cost you anywhere from $125 to $180, while fees in Hawaii are slightly lower and can range from $30 to $60. 2. Meet the age and health requirements. Most states require CDL applicants to be at least 18 years old, but some require applicants to be 21. Applicants must also meet certain health requirements, such as passing a physical exam. 3. Enroll in a CDL training program. You can enroll in a CDL training program at a truck driving school or a community college. These programs will provide you with the training and experience needed to pass the CDL test. Here are the names of some truck driving schools along with their websites. Pause the video to write down a location near you. Alabama. Bevel State Community College. Alaska. Northern Industrial Training. Arizona. Southwest Truck Driver Training. Arkansas. Arkansas State University Newport, California. Western Pacific Truck School. Colorado. Sage Truck Driving School. Connecticut. New England Tractor Trailer Training School. Florida. Roadmaster Drivers School. Georgia. CDI Truck Driving School. Idaho. Professional Truck Driving School. Illinois. Illinois Valley Community College. Indiana. C1 Truck Driver Training. Iowa. Hawkeye Community College. Kansas. Wichita Area Technical College. Kentucky. Truck America Training. Louisiana. Diesel Driving Academy. Maryland. North American Trade Schools. Massachusetts. Northeast Technical Institute. Michigan. Professional Skills Institute. Minnesota. Interstate Truck Driving School. Mississippi. Delta Technical College. Missouri. Midwest Technical Institute. Nebraska. Metropolitan Community College. New Hampshire. Continental Truck Driver Training and Education School. New Jersey. American Driver Training Academy. New York. National Tractor Trailer School. North Carolina Truck Driver Institute. Ohio. Napier Truck Driver Training. Oklahoma. American Truck Training. Oregon. Elite Truck School. Note: these websites may change over time, and it's always a good idea to double-check the website before making any decisions. 4. Obtain a learner's permit. Before taking the CDL test, you must obtain a learner's permit. You can do this by passing a written test on general knowledge of commercial driving and traffic laws. To get a CDL learner's permit, follow these general steps. Obtain a copy of the CDL manual for your state. The manual contains information about the CDL permit test, required endorsements, driving rules and regulations, and vehicle inspection procedures. Meet the eligibility requirements. Each state has its own set of requirements, but most require that you be at least 18 years old and hold a valid driver's license. Schedule an appointment at your local DMV office. Contact your state's DMV office to schedule an appointment for the CDL permit test. Pass the written CDL permit test. The CDL permit test consists of multiple choice questions about general knowledge, air brakes if applicable, and any additional endorsements you need. Pay the CDL permit fee. The cost of a CDL permit varies by state, but it typically ranges from $50 to $100. Practice driving with a qualified CDL holder. Before you can take the CDL driving test, you must have a certain amount of supervised driving practice, which varies by state. Note that these steps are general guidelines, and the specific requirements and procedures may vary depending on the state where you are applying for a CDL permit. It's always best to check with your local DMV office or the state agency responsible for issuing CDLs for the most up-to-date information. 5. Practice driving and gain experience. While holding a learner's permit, you should practice driving a commercial vehicle with a qualified driver. This will help you gain experience and improve your driving skills. 6. Pass the CDL tests. The CDL test consists of a written test and a skills test. The written test covers general knowledge of commercial driving, and the skills test involves driving a commercial vehicle with a DMV examiner. You must pass both tests to obtain a CDL. 7. Obtain endorsements. Depending on the type of commercial vehicle you plan to drive, you may need to obtain additional endorsements, such as a hazardous materials endorsement or a passenger endorsement. You can get your CDL even faster by enrolling in a commercial truck driving school that offers an accelerated program. These programs can last anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, depending on the school and your location. They are designed to provide intensive training that prepares students for the CDL skills test in a shorter amount of time than traditional programs. To enroll in an accelerated CDL program, you will need to meet the school's eligibility requirements, which typically include being at least 18 years old, 21 for interstate driving, having a clean driving record, and passing a DOT physical exam. You may also need to pass a drug test and meet other requirements set by your state's DMV. Keep in mind that while an accelerated program can help you get your CDL quickly, it's important to choose a reputable school that provides quality training. Look for a school that is accredited by a recognized organization, has experienced instructors, and offers a good balance of classroom and behind-the-wheel training. Additionally, make sure you understand the costs of the program, including tuition, fees, and any additional expenses like lodging and meals. Here are some accredited CDL accelerated programs in 30 states. Pause the video for an accelerated CDL program near you. Alabama Lawson State Community College, Alaska Northern Industrial Training, Arizona Phoenix Truck Driving Institute, Arkansas State University Newport, California International Trucking School, Colorado Sage Truck Driving School, Connecticut TTTS, Delaware Smith and Solomon, Florida Roadmaster Drivers School, Georgia Atlanta Truck Driving School, Hawaii HMTT, Idaho American CDL Training, Illinois Star Truck Driving School, Indiana Truck Driver Institute, Iowa Hawkeye Community College, Kansas Wichita Area Technical College, Louisiana Delta Technical College, Maine Northern Maine Community College, Maryland All-State Career, Massachusetts NEDTTS, Michigan Tri-Area Trucking School, Minnesota Interstate Truck Driving School, Mississippi Delta Technical College, Missouri Midwest Technical Institute, Montana Sage Truck Driving School, Nebraska JDL Truck Driver Training, Nevada 8 Truck Driver Training. By following these steps and completing the necessary training and tests, you can obtain a CDL license and begin a career in commercial driving. Good luck! You got this! Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if this information was helpful to you.